It is going to be a fun-filled Sunday here in Carson City for your Interlodge Mason Basketball League, powered by the So-Called Ballers. We are streaming this game on YouTube, So-Called Ballers 21. So make sure to follow, subscribe, and hit the like button for more basketball games here in your Interlodge Mason. I'm your host, the one and only Ludwig Van Magic Man, together with our committee for today, Jessel Navalta and Brother Harlem Luis. Our referees for today is referee Vaughn Davis and referee Marcus Reed. As we start the opening tip-off, Garden Grove Lodge wearing yellow jersey and Palakasyo Club wearing green jersey. So this is serious, no? It's a serious fun game. Because usually, Palakasyo Club have the same players with Garden Grove Lodge. But since they're a big team, and they divided their players. So it's going to be a fun-filled Sunday. Now both teams playing in their respective divisions. As Ryan Malones will be called for the foul. Ryan Malones, foul out lang agad. First stop pa lang. As Mason is on the line.
6 fouls.
Ryan Malones, ilagay lahat ng foul kay Ryan Malones.
Sumobra.
30 seconds
Gerald
pa lang.
Mason on the line.
Ano ba sila? Kulay yellow?
Saison. In reality, Saison is the one who will be called for the foul, right? Saison is 14, di ba?
Tapos na game. Tapos na game.
Saison, who is also playing for Garden Grove Lodge, but this time he will be playing for Palakas Shooting Club.
Ayusin niyo! Laki ng pusta!
Ryan Malones, corner against Miso. Freyna launches, comes up short. Tries his luck on the second try. Moralida muscling his way in the paint. Mark Moralida with his former teammates, no? Dumlao, Torres at the middle. Torres with the finger roll. Bago for the loose ball, it will go to Miso. Miso, give and go from Mangilit. Moralida slows the tempo.
Yo, kay Malones!
Malones, corner. It bounces off. Saison makes the basket. Short stab jumper from Saison. Against the zone defense 2-3 situation from the top of the key, all board. Mangilit pulls back, elbow jumper, gets his own miss, setting up Kayabyat, quick passing, Miso, comes up short, Freyna, high-low, Moralida, underneath the basket, Torres collecting the board with some trash talking. And Miso uses the glass, tying the game to 4. Hindi pa gumagawa si Malones eh. In English, Malones, no? Ryan Malones. Elbow jumper. Dumlao. Across the timeline, Dumlao, high-low, Torres, underneath, and Torres uses the board, 6-4. Nung nasa Pilipinas pa si Brother Ryan Malones, pero nandito na sa Amerika, Ryan Malones. 60-35, Miso, Kayabyab, with a runner, 8-4. They're picking him back high here. Saison. And Torres absorbing that rebound. Torres at the middle. High off the glass. Miso put back. Second serving. And Gerald Miso flexing his muscles. And the referees Looking at the clock. Crossover, Malones, almost a steal. And it will be a turnover for Ryan Malones. Shout out to Torrance University Lodge, no? Abangan ko ulit yung lunch natin, ha? Next week. Ayan, next week. Nakaabang na tayo dyan. Hindi na tayo kakain ng almusal para doon sa breakfast, para sa lunch natin, no? Para madami tayong extra rice. 12 to 4. Parang piyesta yung ano ng Torrance University last week, eh. Daming pagkain, eh. JM Manginit extends the lead to 10, no? The Division B. Now, speaking of the classification of the bracketing, no? Garden Grove Lodge will be ranked number 2, no? Because undefeated pa rin ang ALTP as of the moment with 6 wins and 0 losses. While for Garden Grove Lodge and Torrance University sharing that win-loss record. As for Brazen Pillars, they will be most likely ranked to number 4 as Ariel Freeman. Long distance trifecta. I guess it's a timeout. Maybe right back after this timeout.
Binigay tuloy yung timeout. Binigay yung timeout. Binigay yung timeout, ah.
Mukhang nahimasmasan na si Brother Gab Gaget, ha. Hindi na masyadong namumula. Kanina, pulang-pula, eh. Back to the action. Back to the ball game. We are here in Carson City for this fun-filled game between Palakas Shooting Club and Garden Grove Lodge. At first I thought it was a joke, no? Garden Grove Lodge versus Palakas Shooting Club, but it turns out to be true, no? So, of course, technically almost the same players, but different divisions, no? Palakas Shooting Club will be ranked in Division C, while Garden Grove Lodge will be ranked at Division B. Ryan Manginit able to fish a ball against Gab Gaget, and he will go to the line and he will shoot 3. Again, for the bracketing system, if you're watching this game, for the bracket B, as we keep on mentioning in the previous coverages of the other games, if you're not watching the other games, bracket B is composed of ALTP, Brazen Pillars, TUL, Torrance University, and Garden Grove Lodge. While for bracket A, Men of Tide, Takum, and DPWH. As for Division C, GML, Palaka, and Solomon Staircase. Rounding up the brackets for this tournament.
3-point attempt,
For the
Bill.
classification, 11 minutes and 10. Long distance heave from Ariel Freina. Tugay wearing the gold sneakers. Traveling violation. Masyadong mainit sa mata yung gold na sneakers ni ni Tugay. Ayaw pagbigyan. Mangilit uses the screen against 2 defenders. Gaget able to snatch it away, but Dumlao is there to stop the play. Gaget turning back into red. The red Gaget. Parang hard. Parang hindi beer yung ininom ni Gaget, eh. Parang hard, eh. Namumula, eh. Lumalabas, eh. From way downtown, Ariel Freina, too strong. Torres at the middle. Mangilit, pump fake. They go at the post. Kaya Biab forces his way inside, and Kaya Biab making it a 9-point lead, 20-11, and 2 guys. Wait for the dead ball. Substitution, injury.
Then.
We have a cramp going on here for 2 guys. Yung gold sneakers kasi yan eh.
Matagsi.
Masyadong mabigat daw
Bigat.
yung gold na ano, may bato daw yung ano eh. But hopefully you're okay ha, Mr. Tugay, Mr. Rex Tugay. No? Brother Rex Tugay. No? Shout out to Goze, no? The Goze. Shout out, brother Goze. 3-on-1 situation. Win Apaw from Brazen Pillars na playing for Palaka Shooting Club. Naka-receive pa ng free jersey si Brother Win, no? Nanghihingi nga ako kay Worship Mark kung may extra jersey. 9 minutes remaining. But of course, no? Playing superbly well, spectacular is Win Apaw from Brazen Pillars who has given his impact for Brazen Pillars. As Rivera is in the ballgame. Rivera, ano lang, light lang tayo brother. This is a fun game, so take it easy. Take it easy for brother Rivera. Take it easy, brother Rivera, no? I know the intensity, the energy is there, but you know, you have to take it lightly. No? We don't want any injuries again to happen as Win Apaw. You have to watch yourself at all times, no? 8 minutes and 20. Mangilit. At the middle to Kayabyab. Kayabyab, power dribble, left hand. And foul is slapped against Palaka Shooting Club. That will be on Gaget, no? Gaget. Playing everywhere here. Second shot for Adam De Los Reyes from Solomon Staircase. It's like an all-star game pala, no? All players from different teams, no? Daming different jerseys. Bakit pala naglaro na pala kami ni Brother Harlem dito, no?
Sub.
Substitution for Banzali
Sub.
in the ball game. Ang ganda ng socks ni Banzali, no? Light green. Pagka madilim, makikita pa rin siya, eh. Glow in the dark socks by Banzali. I-match mo dun sa gold sneakers ni Tugay. 7 minutes and 20. We treat this some sort of an all-star game, no? A fun-filled game. But look at the intensity of Rivera. Still, that energy he brings to the table. And look at Win Apaw. Teammates here, Apaw and Freyna from Brazen Pillars. The physicality of Rivera against Mark Moralida, no? Mangilit comes up short. Adam De Los Reyes substitution. Yan. Ryan Malones. Parang di pinapawisan pa si Ryan Malones, eh, no? Small pores. Parang Koreano pala si Ryan Malones, eh. Opa Ryan. Which means 32 Torres uses the screen. Clobbers the board for Ryan Malones. Malones on the move. And showing us why he is in the Division A for Pakrin. This guy has been monumental, no? Adam De Los Reyes, team captain of Solomon Staircase against the double team. At the middle, Mark Moralida. From ALTP, one of the reasons why ALTP is undefeated because of worshipful Mark Moralida. Tornado move from Ryan Malones, no? Parang binagyo yung galaw ni Ryan Malones, eh. At the line.
Pinilipit ko eh.
According to Tita Jessel, namilipit daw si Brother Ryan sa ilalim, eh. And you know, it's like an all-star game now. All fun and games now because Palaka Shooting Club and Garden Grove Lodge practically the same team, no? So they need players to play for them, no? Of course, this is the goal of this league, no? The brotherhood, the camaraderie, the fun, the exercise, and JM Mangilit listed down for the lefty shooter. Another smooth operating move from JM Mangilit. Win Apaw, the rookie of Brazen Pillars. Well, this guy can score, no? For Brazen Pillars, he has been providing that off-the-bench scoring, and sometimes when he's starting for the team, he brings that youthful aggressiveness as well as Rolly Lagsa also for Brazen Pillars. Both rookies, but also playing well, especially for Brazen Pillars. No? Shout out, no, brother Rolly Lagsa. Of course.
Dito!
He helps in
Sikat,
the
muna!
rebounding department for
Tira,
Blazing
tira,
Pillars.
tira! Yan, ganyan lang!
Banzali, way off the mark, and it got stuck with the wedgie for Ryan Malone's.
White ball, white ball.
White ball.
Kanino ba?
Ryan Malone's. Parang Carl Malone eh. Ryan Malone's. Ano eh. Pagpunta ng Amerika, hindi na Malone's eh. Malone's. I'm from Los Angeles, California. I'm Ryan Malone's. Alright. Formation 18. Oh, it's just a 1-point game pala, 22-21, no?
Cutter!
Who uses the screen from Rivera. Look at the physicality of Rivera, no? That intensity, no? Bring in the pain for Rivera. I take it easy, brother Rivera, no? Just let's make it fun, clean, and enjoyable.
Kinakaldag na nga eh. Kamautis pa eh.
Oh, a steal from J.M. Mangilit. Pulls up from the elbow, and Ryan Malone collecting the rebound against Adam De Los Reyes. One-on-one, single coverage, decides to take it. It bounces off. Hinahanap natin yung move ni Ryan Malones, yung magtuturo siya tapos hindi siya rin titira eh. Hinihintay ko pa yung move na yun eh. And Banzali squeezing himself underneath the basket, 24-23 with 3 minutes and 10. Torres uses the baseline against the double team. Foul will be called against on Mark Moralida. Torres, runner, Rivera, too strong. Mangilit gets it. It bounces up and Rivera hacking Moralida there. But of course, Mark Moralida can absorb those physicality. No? Can you still absorb it? Of course, we can absorb that for where's Mark, no? 24-23. Apaw at the middle. Moralida, one-on-one against Rivera. Thought about it. Freyna, they go at the post. Turns around. What an assist from Win Apaw to Banzali. Adam De Los Reyes at the middle. Goes to the other side. Cross court. Torres, two-man game. Bounces off. Freyna on the move. Apaw at the middle. Freyna pulls the trigger. It bounces off again. 3-on-2 situation. Mangilit from the elbow. Freyna picking up the board. Gliding in the air is Malones. Apaw with a putback. Win Apaw. Palaka Shooting Club now up by 3, 27-24. De Los Reyes shoots it. Moralida taking care of the boards. Making it all fun and games here. Banzali. And trying to save it for Win Apaw. 50 seconds. Substitution. Gab Gaget. 40 seconds remaining in the first half. Remember, this is running time until the last 2 minutes. And with the steal from Cayabyab, that was a good position from Cayabyab. However, unable to complete the play. Ryan Malones, coast to coast, and Ryan Malones will deliver the points for PSC. Rivera, 13 seconds left. They need to take this shot. This time is not on their side. 7 seconds as Cayabyab uses the left hand. Gaget, top of the key. As time expires, we end the first half. with a 29-26 lead by Palakas Shooting Club over Garden Grove Lodge. We'll be right back for the second half. Para mapag-lunch na tayo. Back to the second half. It's business time here in your Interlodge Mason Basketball League. This is a fun Sunday afternoon here in Carson City for this exciting ball game between Garden Grove Lodge and Palakas Shooting Club. The joke is on us, no? Because we thought that it's a one team, but they were able to find some players differently. So it's all for the fun and games, no? For the benefit of those who want to enjoy the game. Freyla fires away. Torres bringing it down. At the middle. Oh, kaya Biab, you're done? Reverse. Freyla. Pedal on the middle. Give and go. Freyla, Apaw, two-man game. Ryan Kayabyab. Shout out to the maestro. Drop pass. As Miso will go to the line and will shoot two. Saan tayo maglalagsa, Brother Rolly? Brother Rolly Lagsa. Kahit saan, sige, no problem. Kailangan ko kumpletuhin yung Lagsa kasi Brother Rolly din si Worshipful. Worshipful Rolly din lang eh. So I need to emphasize who's the Rolly I'm talking to. No? Miso on the line. Saison checks back in the ball game. Freyla cross court. And Alabado almost committing a turnover at yun, tuluyan na lumabas ang bola. Parang yung aircon yun, di ba? Pag lumalabas yung aircon, sarado mo yung pinto, lumalabas yung aircon. Hindi, yung hangin yung lumalabas, di ba? Pero dyan, literally, lumabas yung bola. You know? Anyway, back to the ball game. Enough of the shenanigans. As we continue straight back into the action. Of course, we're just injecting some fun and games here because this is a fun game between Palakas Shooting Club and Garden Grove Lodge, and they're still putting some competitiveness here in the floor. Apaw from Brazen Pillars. It bounces off. On the move, Mangili dazzling us with his ankle-breaking dribble drive. And Apaw will be called for the foul as he got a piece of the hand for Win Apaw. 31-30. Baseline throw. Dapat pala tinawagan natin si Brother Tony at saka si no?
Pagod na to.
Mamaya, no? Pero malayo kasi eh. Brother Tony and Brother Ernie. Shout out, no? Sana nanonood si Brother Ernie and Brother Tony, no? Sabihin niyo mag-subscribe naman sa YouTube page natin, no? Napapanood naman kayong dalawa. Brother Rolly and Brother Ernie, no? Part of the batch 1 ng Clarence S. Smith Daylight Lodge. Loading na yung batch 2, no? 3-on-1 situation. Mangili comes up short. They throw it away for Santos. Hindi ka pa rin pinapawisan. Fresh na fresh talaga to si Malones eh.
May built-in aircon din.
Talagang meeting na ko. Gusto ko i-zoom in eh, yung first name ng Malones. Wait for the referee's second shot. Si Malones basta-basta pumapasok.
Second shot ka ako eh.
Second shot? Gulo mo din eh. Technical ka ni ref. Throw him out. Okay, back to the ball game. Malones and Gaget together with Adam De Los Reyes. Santos on the line. This is the second half. Of course, this is for Palakas Shooting Club, and of course, Palakas Shooting Club will be their #1 team in their division. Division 6. Because Gardena Monita Lodge just tallied their first win a while ago against Brazen Pillars. So most likely this is not a ranking game anymore, a non-bearing game. That's why it's like an all-star game. It's all fun and games. And Saison
Akala ko isa.
left wide open. Malones was stuck there. It's a good thing he was able to kick it out. With 13 minutes and 56. De Los Reyes. Mangilip at the middle. Looking for his option, serving the floor. Finding the right play, but Malones is there. Showing us his nasty handles. Pump it, Moralina, able to get Mangilip off the air. But he wasn't ready for that move. And Mangilip. Or rather, that is Miso.
Dalawang pang sa Malones.
2 fouls on Ryan Malones. Quick 2 fouls for Malones. As Miso is on the line. Minsan nalilito kay Miso tsaka kay, kay Mangilip eh. Parehas kasi ng ano eh. Malones grabs the board. PSC, Palaka Shooting Club. A while ago, I asked what's the meaning of Palaka Shooting Club. We cannot say it on the coverage. Eh. Put back. Because, yeah. Malakas mong asar. Malones eh. Yeah, but seriously, Malones has game, no? But of course, this is just fun and games because of the non-bearing game of this particular matchup. Palaka Shooting Club and Garden Grove Lodge. But in other games, in the serious games, Malones, he can deliver the 3-point shots, no? He can attack the lane, but during this fun game, physicality down the floor between Torres and Moralina, it's a fun, intense matchup, no? In the paint, in the interior. Gaget, Mangilip saving it as they recover. Mangilip drop pass to De Los Reyes, and De Los Reyes high off the glass. Finally, Garden Grove Lodge is up by 134-33. Full court pressure by Miso. Gaget able to escape. Decides to take it. Launches from Mark Moralina. Making it look very easy. As they grab the driver's seat once again, 36-34 for Palaka Shooting Club. Miso, Torres, all day to shoot. No shooters bounce. Santos against the double team, against bigger defenders, and he will earn the free throws here for Santos. Gab Gaget. Natutunaw na yung alak kay Gab Gaget. 36-34, up 10-2. Santos is on the line, and while he's on the line, remember March 29 is our playoffs and fellowship picnic, so everyone's invited. Everyone with regards to the Freemasonry, no? So for the fellowship, the lunch now. And of course, if you have friends, family, they're all welcome, no? As long as someone vouches for them, no? Drop pass. Foul will be called against Miso.
Side intro.
Baseline throw. Of course, the time will keep on running here. almost on the head of Gaget, but good thing he was able to duck. It will go to the other side. Referee Marcus using his whistle. We're also commentating the referees, no? Referee Marcus blowing his whistle as the players not responding. De Los Reyes squeezing himself, and it will remain with the guys in yellow. By the way, Garden Grove Lodge wearing the yellow uniform, and Palaka Shooting Club the green jersey. At the middle, Miso, runner, too strong, it bounces off. Saison dives in, Santos, blocked. Miso, flyby. De Los Reyes pulls back. It bounces off. As Malones. 8-second violation. Malones. He was also confused with his own move, no? Malones. Here comes the enforcer, Rivera. Nine minutes na. Malones nahilo sa sariling galaw eh. Sirahan Malones. But good thing. Win up on hawa na rin, no? Dala-dala ni Malones na zigzagging moves. 8 minutes and 49. Now what a smart move from Torres. Battle for the loose ball between Gaget and De Los Reyes. Again, the pressure defense from behind Santos. Substitution.
Sub.
Tyson.
Saison will check back in for Freyna.
Delikado pag pinag-raise ng Gaget, huwag yung
No point guard here for Gordon Blood. Banzali fires away, unfortunately. No go for Banzali, who is wearing a neon socks. Glow in the dark, no? Glow in the dark socks. Down on the floor, physicality between Freyna and Santos. Foul will be called on Freyna as Santos goes to the line again and will earn the points from the charity strike. 7 minutes and 44, Garden Grove Lodge. He makes the basket. Battle for the loose ball. It will go to Banzali, Freyna. The physicality between Rivera and Moralina is very interesting to watch as Freyna from deep beyond the arc. Cross court, Mangilit, elbow, comes up short. Malones picks it up, 3-on-1 situation. Woo! As Rivera is down on the floor. The impact was too strong between Malones and Rivera. Be careful out there, guys. You know, we have a lot of injuries already. Come on, guys. Almost with the shooter's bounce, Rivera. Please control your bodies. Don't make it as a living sacrifice, no? Please, yeah. Freyna. Again, Freyna from long distance. 44 to 35, and Balaca Shooting Club up by 9, 35 to 44 with 6 minutes and 28. Dapat running time na rin yung time. But all business here with 6 minutes and 28. Hokak, Balaca Shooting Club, embodying their spirit animal, the frogs. The frogs of Southern California, no? So if you're wondering if you're from Southern California and you don't know the meaning of palaka, it's double meaning actually according to Brian Malones, no? Pero we're gonna use the animal name, no? The palaka is translated to frog, no? As we go back straight into the action. Palaka means frog in English, no? So the frogmen, kung yung Alaska, merong Alaska milkmen, ang Palaka Shooting Club merong frogmen, the frogmen of Southern California. No? 6 minutes and 26 remaining. De Los Reyes receives and shoot, catch and shoot for De Los Reyes. Adam De Los Reyes. Money on the bucket. 6 minutes and 14. Moralida tries to answer back, and Mark Moralida shoots them with that trifecta from the parking lot. De Los Reyes tries to make this a shootout, but unfortunately, he won't be able to make it. Malones again, zigzagging his way in and out. Santos absorbing the board. And Mangilit will try to extend his shooting range. A runner from Santos, no shooter's bounce. And Malones will get a foul from Miso. He calls his own foul, no? He shouted foul. Reina. Moralina. This time he misses. No good. 5 minutes and 10. De Los Reyes kicks it out to Dumlao, top of the key. And Dumlao! Don't worry, the camera got it for Ronnie Dumlao. 47-41, down to 6. Palaka Shooting Club taking care of a 6-point lead as he was able to cross the line. For Balones, pulls back, the double team comes, able to escape. Again, the strategy of Balones pointing out, but he will take the shot. Dumlao. Dumlao with some showboating here for Rolly Dumlao. Banzali with a spin move. Banzali count the basket in for Banzali with a glow in the dark socks. And JM Mangilit cutting the lead down to 4, 49-45 with 4 minutes and 6 remaining. This can be a close ball game. Let's see if they will allow it to happen or will PSC shut down Garden Grove. And team play here at work. Mangilit tries his range from long distance, lighting it up, and the push from Gagit. De Los Reyes is down on the floor. Timeout will be called. Do they still have timeout?
Yeah.
Okay, last timeout from Palaka Shooting Club. Palaka Shooting Club will call their last timeout.
Timeout mo na! Pagod na sila! Paris! Paris! 1-on-1. 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 Paris, 1-on-1. 1-on-1.
One-on-one. 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 So free throws will be given here for Garden Grove Lodge as we continue straight back into the action. Our score is 49-45 in favor of Palaka Shooting Club. This is the Interlodge Mason Basketball League, presented by the so-called Ballers. With 3 minutes and 35, another free throw will be given to Adam De Los Reyes.
46-4 yan. Tatlo. Tawag tayo?
47-49. Palaka Shooting Club up by a single possession. On the move, maneuvering his way, unable to save it for Alabado. With Apau, it will remain with the guys in green. Tap pass, corner. Ariel Freyna able to recover, however, still misses. Pulls back, Mangilit, waiting for his teammates. Miso, Dumlao at the middle, anchor of Garden Grove Lodge. Miso on the attack, and Miso will have to earn it on the free throw line, almost with the shooter's bounce, with less than 3 minutes here in the second half. Miso on the line. Again, March 29, our playoffs and fellowship lunch together.
Sub.
Substitution on the second shot. Malones. Malones and
Referee, pwede pa na Ryan.
Moralida in the ballgame. This is going to be a big front court here for Malakas Shooting Club with Malones and Moralida back in the ballgame together with Freyna. They have the height advantage. As we head on to the Twilight Zone, last 2 minutes. That last 2 minutes is brought to you by Tito Jessel Navarta, our statsman for the day. And of course, Harlem Luis from Clarence Smith Daylight Lodge. 1 minute and 53 at the middle, full court pressure, or half court pressure. And almost the steal from Apao, Miso. Reverse, Santos, too strong. It will remain with Malakas Shooting Club. Or rather, it will go to the Garden Club. Oh no, it's going to be on the other side. Baseball pass. Apao. To Moralida, two-man game. Apao recovers and waits for his teammates. Crossover, Apao against the double team. Apao, beautiful move, however, wasn't able to complete it. And Moralida able to get that loose ball. The physicality of Mark Moralida. Foul on De Los Reyes. It's just a 1-point game being led by Malakas Shooting Club. Apao, brother. Still nothing. Mark Moralida now on the free throw line. And he will shoot two. And that is one of the strengths of PSC, the front guys. Is it bleeding? Oh, it's bleeding, huh? Oh, be careful, huh? Be careful. Too much physicality for...
Gary, that's the sub.
Put some ice on it.
Whoever sub is the shooter.
Natin, he cannot come back.
He's not going to be able to come back.
Oh
Yeah.
no, he can come back.
Ay, can.
He just has to get the blood to stop.
Gonzali misses his first free throw. And a chance for Garden Grove Lodge to take the lead with 1 minute and 16. Dumlao holding on to that ball. Oh, Apao snatching it away. Pickpocketing. Saison with the shooter's bounce. When Apao with the defensive gem. 57 seconds, 51 to 48. 3-point game from behind. Malones. Malones carving the defense up and Malones misses.
Hindi yung pinagkasa tinitingnan eh.
3-point game separating both teams 51 to 48. Garden Grove Lodge. Biso launches from deep. Freyna, 35 seconds. Malones. Well, the game is still open here for Garden Grove Lodge. It's just a 3-point lead. It bounces off for Mangilit, JM Mangilit, as Win Apao securing that leather. One-on-one. One-on.
Shooter. Shooter,
Win
shooter.
Apao on the line. Yeah, still have one more timeout. Rivera from Garden Grove Lodge. Oh! A golden opportunity missed by Apao that could have iced the ball game here. 20 seconds. 3-point game. De Los Reyes. Freyna. 15 seconds. Saison. 13. They need to foul it if they want to get this victory. Dumlao still. This is still open. 5 seconds remaining. Miso. And that ends the ball game. No. Oh, no more. Not counted, not counted. Not counted. The time expired. Time expired, time expired. Palaka Shooting Club escaping with a 3-point victory, 51-48 against Garden Grove Lodge. And that ends our coverage. This is Ludwig Van Magic Man, together with Harlem Ruiz and Jessel Navalta. This is your Interlodge Mason Basketball, PSE 51-48 for Garden Grove Lodge. Thank you and have a good weekend.